In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link notes in Evernote. Linking notes is an incredibly useful feature when you're trying to keep related information connected and easily accessible. Whether you're compiling research, linking meeting notes, or creating a complex project plan, understanding how to efficiently link notes can save you time and enhance your productivity within the Evernote platform. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to copy a note link. This is the initial step to create connections between your notes. If you're using a Windows or Mac computer, you'll want to start by locating the note you wish to link to. Simply right-click on the note, and from the context menu, select the Copy Note Link option. This action copies a hyperlink to your clipboard that represents the location of this specific note. It's really straightforward. Now, if you're someone who prefers keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, Evernote's got you covered. On Windows, just press Ctrl+Alt+L, and on Mac, use CMD+Option+L, and voila! The note link is copied to your clipboard, ready for pasting. Next, we're going to insert that copied link into another note, which is where the linking magic happens. Begin by opening up the note where you want your connected link to appear. Place your cursor at the spot within the note where this link will be most useful. Perhaps you're summarizing a project, listing resources, or just keeping your notes organized with relevant connections. Here's the easy part. With your note link copied earlier, simply paste it into your chosen note. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+V on a Windows device or CMD+V on a Mac. Almost instantly, you'll notice the title of your linked note will appear as a clickable hyperlink right there in your document. This hyperlink will be your gateway back to the original note, allowing seamless navigation between your related ideas and information within Evernote. And there you have it. Linking notes like this not only keeps your digital workspace tidy, but also dramatically improves your ability to cross-reference and verify information. It's functional, it's efficient, and it's a huge time saver as your collection of notes grows. With practice, you'll become adept at keeping your notes interconnected and easily manageable, unlocking the full potential of your Evernote experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on linking notes in Evernote both informative and useful. Be sure to practice this little trick next time you're organizing your notes. And don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on the process. Happy note linking, and until next time, keep organizing your thoughts with clarity and precision.